All right, fellas, so the data set is created. So right here we are under the classification of our image classification data set. So I want to import some data. So here we are on the import tab. All right. So let's click on data import. All right. There are many situations here. I can select import from cloud storage. Let's choose our data set. All right. Let's see what here. I think again I have already the file. Okay, let's browse. It's not here. Let me just find it. Let me put what I have. Okay, let me just check it out the prefix here. Let's see if I find cloud training. Oh, it doesn't find it from here, so I think I can put directly here. Doesn't need the UCGS is a prefix. Okay, can leave the data split as default. Let's leave it as default. All right, a check mark here. You can click on continue. So it's importing the data. Once everything is ready, we continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next video.